Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes something designed to start fires, or something that causes strong reactions: incendiary. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is incendiary. Let's break it down. First, we have in, which sounds like in inside. Next is sen, which rhymes with pen and is stressed. Then comes d, which sounds like d in deep. Next is air, which sounds like air in airplane. Finally, e sounds like the e in sea. Now, let's put it all together. Incendiary. Try repeating after me. Incendiary. Now a little faster. Incendiary. And at full speed, incendiary. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Incendiary can refer to something that is designed to start fires, like an incendiary device. It can also mean something that causes conflict or intense reactions, like incendiary remarks in a debate. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce incendiary and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.